Located in Antalya, Turkey, the land of legends, theme park has quickly become one of the region's premier destinations for entertainment and family fun. In recent years, the park has undergone significant expansion, introducing new attractions and themed areas to enhance the visitor experience. Its latest additions, including Nickelodeon Land and the Nickelodeon Hotels and Resorts Antalya, have drawn international attention and contributed to its rising popularity. With Turkey's tourism industry reaching record numbers in 2024, the Land of Legends stands out as a must-visit spot for travelers seeking immersive entertainment and unique accommodations. The park's blend of adventure, themed entertainment, and luxury hospitality continues to attract families from around the world. Nickelodeon Land has officially opened at the Land of Legends theme park in Antalya, Turkey, bringing beloved characters and worlds to life for visitors of all ages. Guests can explore immersive themed areas, including Bikini Bottom from SpongeBob SquarePants, Adventure Bay from Paw Patrol, and the futuristic Star Trek Wild Galaxy, inspired by Star Trek Prodigy. The park features exciting attractions such as the Jellyfish Jam swing ride, offering a playful experience reminiscent of SpongeBob's underwater adventures. For those seeking a multi-sensory thrill, the 5D cinema delivers dynamic entertainment with cutting-edge visuals and effects. Each zone is designed to capture the spirit of its franchise, creating a vibrant atmosphere filled with color and energy. These new additions promise memorable moments for families and fans alike, making Nickelodeon Land a standout destination within the park. The Nickelodeon Hotels and Resorts Antalya brings beloved Nickelodeon characters and stories to life through its immersive accommodations. Guests can choose from rooms and suites inspired by popular franchises such as Dora the Explorer and the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, creating a playful and engaging atmosphere for families. The resort is designed to enhance the overall experience, offering themed decor, interactive features, and exclusive amenities that cater to children and adults alike. By blending entertainment with hospitality, the hotel ensures that every stay is memorable and unique. This innovative approach transforms a family vacation into an adventure, making it a standout destination within the Land of Legends theme park. The Land of Legends theme park stands out for its integrated approach, seamlessly blending entertainment, accommodation, and retail into a unified destination. By offering immersive themed experiences alongside luxury hotels and diverse shopping options, the park caters to families seeking both adventure and comfort. This strategy not only enhances the visitor experience, but also supports Turkey's thriving tourism sector, which welcomed over 52 million visitors in 2024. The park's innovative expansions, such as Nickelodeon Land and themed resorts, reflect a commitment to staying at the forefront of global leisure trends. As a result, the Land of Legends continues to play a pivotal role in attracting guests from around the world and contributing to Turkey's record-setting achievements in tourism.